This video explains how to buy shares of Columbus Acquisition Corp, a company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker COLA. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. Investing carries risks. To buy COLA, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can purchase shares. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker COLA to find Columbus Acquisition Corp. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart for COLA. Double-check the company name and the NASDAQ ticker to confirm it's the correct stock. Click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio. Check the link in the description for eToro if you want to follow the same demonstration.